Everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize fully the following algebraic expression. So from here, I would then be able to see that for this pair, there is a common factor 3a. So you will see me taking out the common factor 3a, and I'm left with b negative 4. As for the next pair, there is a common factor 2. So it's a positive 2. And I'm left with b minus 4. And therefore, at this point in time, I hope you all can see that there is another common factor, b minus 4. And this is the common factor, which I am going to take out b minus 4, and I'm left with 3a and positive 2. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.